non-touch IFPDs are available in varieties of the sizes, providing the flexibility to meet the unique requirement of every classroom. Whether you need a compact display or a large interactive panel, we have you covered. Aesthetically beautiful display. The display is protected by H8 toughened glass, which offers the anti-glare, anti-fingerprint and antibacterial properties. We believe in both durability and visual experience, which enhance the user interaction smoothly. Our IFPDs boast a stunning 4K display resolution, delivering the exceptional image clarity and details. The high brightness ensures the vivid visuals even in the well-lit environment, while our eye care protection mode minimizes the eye strain, prioritizing the well-being of both students and teachers. Our IFPDs are equipped with high-quality built-in speakers, which delivers an exceptional audio output, which makes the sound clear and immersive during the multimedia presentation and video playback.